Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode and I'm not really sure if you can see them, but I've applied the grid lines because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the grid lines should disappear after resetting the settings. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. So just tap on this icon and tap on menu. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset settings and confirm everything with OK. As you can see, we just got back to the photo mode, to the camera basically, and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.